This is Penbo Design, where California creativity converges with Asian manufacturing precision. With a team of highly experienced designers, we specialize in creating localized design solutions that perfectly align with the American market. Our showroom is located in Los Angeles, covering an area of approximately 1,000 square feet. Additionally, we collaborate with local construction teams across multiple states in the U.S. to provide customers with on-site installation and after-sales services. Our strategists decode American consumer behavior, delivering conversion-driven store concepts in 3 business days. Transform your retail vision from sketches to nationwide installation within 30 to 45 days. We engineer complete retail ecosystems, display cabinets, shelving systems, seating solutions, and tech-integrated reception desks. Our 35,000 square meter production base in China is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, including modern metal processing machinery, wood and acrylic processing units, and advanced painting systems turn visionary designs into tangible success. Our production base is the backbone of our operations. It offers complete customization, guaranteed quality, and highly competitive pricing, so that we are able to provide an all-inclusive service package, from free 3D rendering and product customization to production, door-to-door delivery, and local after-sales installation and maintenance. This seamless service ensures a hassle-free experience for our clients. To us, display cabinets aren't just fixtures, they're brand experience journeys, where commerce meets artistry, and tomorrow's retail landscape takes shape. Years of optimizing for U.S. markets make us uniquely equipped to craft desire-driven environments. As your trusted Trans-Pacific partner, we deliver dual advantages: premium displays matching domestic quality at 40 to 60% cost savings, with full compliance from ADA accessibility to UL-certified components. 85% of U.S. clients accelerate store launches by 20 to 35% using our integrated solutions. Let's redefine retail excellence together, powered by Silicon Valley innovation and Asian manufacturing mastery.